Hello friends and welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you that how you can use drop down menu in your Tkinter window. So for that let's create an empty window by simply writing from Tkinter import star root equals tk and root dot main loop. Now let's make a variable for our drop down menu. I will name it D. So D equals option menu, and in the empty parentheses the name of the window in which you are packing it. In my case it is root, and after that you have to write clicked. It is the name of the variable that we have to create. I will show it to you later. Now in the double quotation marks the options that you want in your drop down menu. In my case let's say it is Sunday, after that Monday, Tuesday, remember these should be in double quotation marks or single quotation marks. Now you have to deal with clicked. So let's make a variable for clicked. Clicked equals string var and empty parentheses. Now let's pack the drop down menu in our empty window. I will write d.pack with empty parentheses and run the code. Here you guys can see it is a very small drop down menu. Now let's see if we can increase its size. I will write here width equals, let's say, 20. We cannot write it here. Let's write here d.configure, and in the empty parentheses we have to write width equals 20. Now let's run the code again, and you guys can see here width has increased, and if I press the drop down menu, here you guys can see, if I press this you can see I have three options: Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. If I select one, the text will appear before the drop down menu. If I change this, the text will be changed. So now what? Our drop down menu is created. Now what? Now let's make a button that will show us the text or the value that we have got from our drop down menu. Now let's create a button, and I will name the variable b. So b equals button, and in the empty parentheses text equals click, and let's set the text size to 25. Now let's set a command. So command equals click. Now let's define a function named click, and in here I will write L equals label, and let's copy paste this line and let's change the text. So in here the text will be clicked.get. Let's run the code. Oops, I haven't packed the button. So let's head back to the code and pack our label and the button too. Let's run the code now. And here you guys can see button has appeared and the drop down menu has also appeared. So I have selected Sunday from my drop down menu, and when I hit click button, and the label has also appeared with the text Sunday, and whenever I change the drop down menu option, the text changes with it. Now let's head back to the code, and in here you guys can see when I write clicked dot set, like I am setting the value of clicked to something else. Let's say I have set the value of click to none, and I will run the code again, and you guys can see here that the value none is already selected. And when I will select the other options and then click the button, the text changes. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video.